Hello everyone, how to make coffee. So let's go. First one you should to take hot water and glass. And glass you should to take hot water, not cold water. Because the solution is not making without hot water. And then you added coffee. I use this type of coffee. I put in my glass. You can see and you can use this one how much you like and dependent on you. And then I use another coffee type. You can see this is another type you can buy easily from markets. I added little bit this one, and then I put another some little bit waters, and then I want to add it in this glass little bit again the coffee. You can see I added a little bit coffee, and then I want to add a little bit sugars because I like sweets. If you like sweet, you can add it sugars. I added this spoon, one spoon sugars, and then you should to solve these all the material and your cup and your glass. When they become solid, after that, you can check if they are becoming good and good taste. If not, you can add it another material. Like if you want to add it again sugar little bit, you can add it more sugars. I use another spoons of sugars and then again salt and a little bit again. I use the coffee. I like coffee, therefore I use more coffee in my uh, coffee. And you can see finally my coffee is ready. You can make in home like this and very tasty coffee in your homes and very easily. If you like, please comment and like share.